This is part 3 of creating a progress invoice. It's important to watch parts 1 and 2 to know where we are continuing this process from. Okay, so just like any of the invoicing, change orders, or billing, we can go over here to the information panel. We can look at info about this contract, who it was created by, and here's the list of all the pay applications. I could go back and look at this to refresh my memory on what this previous pay application looked like. Here's the current pay application. Payment details will show up in this section once a payment is applied. Clicking on this message icon, we can leave comments appropriate to this project. The next icon reveals the history of this invoice. The last icon here is for the pertinent files that we can add to the project. What we want to do now is click Save and Send to email this to the clients. You're going to see the info like all of our save and send functions. The contacts attached to this project. Let's send this just to Bethany here. We can add more recipients not yet attached to this project in this box if we want. We can add a custom message to the email. Then we go ahead and hit Send, and they will get an email with a link to view the invoice. For the sake of time, we'll preview the invoice. They're going to get the PDF version of the invoice here, and they can download or print this. They have some details over here: the balance due, the project, the invoice number, what pay application this is, and again, they will have a list of pay applications. This list can get very long as these jobs can go on for months and months, and so it's important that they have a running list of all the pay applications. They can go click through and look back at any of them. Payment details. Again, they'll show once these payments have been applied to this. That will show up there, and that's what the client gets. And that's it for this series on creating a progress invoice. All right, thanks.